will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call. Phone's blowing up, ring on my door.
Hey guys, it's Ariana here and I'm taking over. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make smoke come out this bottle. Take this off. And then what you need to do is make sure the cap is all the way on the bottle. And then you're going to twist it. And then when you're done twisting it, then you're going to twist the bottle cap a little. And then you're going to take it down and then just pop it off. So I'm going to show you guys. So. It's hard to twist. Okay. You gotta use all your steps. This really hard. Okay guys, this is really hard to twist. Okay guys, that was a really struggle. So then when you have the bottle twisted, you need to just take the bottle cap like this. And now you're gonna 8 right here. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Oh hell no!
And pop it off. You see the smoke? I'll do it again for you guys. What bottle cap? Okay, now I'm gonna twist it again. I did it! Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!